Hello, Seawolves. Welcome to orientation. I'm Nicholas.
I'm Michaela.
And I'm Marco, and we work for Stony Brook's
Division of Information Technology. We're here to tell you about all the great services that DoIT has to offer.
Where you can go to find them.
And where you can go to get help when you need it.
DoIT offers you tons of great services to suit your academic needs.
You can download Microsoft Office for free and virtually access many more software titles.
Unsure of what kind of devices to buy? DoIT offers hardware discounts, and our experts are happy to provide you with computer recommendations.
There are 3 essential services that serve as your gateway to all DoIT has to offer. They are Solar, Your NetID, and WolfieNet Wi-Fi.
For classwork, you'll need to learn how to use Blackboard, Google Apps, and lynda.com.
And don't forget printing. DoIT has a bunch of sync sites, our public computer labs, where we offer printing services, Windows and Mac computers, and access to a wide variety of software.
Here's how to access all of DoIT's services.
Visit our service catalog at it.stonybrook.edu to browse all of the services that we have to offer. Most of our services can be accessed with your NetID and password.
So where do you go when you need help or support? Submit a ticket through service.stonybrook.edu, and a member of the DoIT client support team will assist you further.
Welcome to Stony Brook, Seawolves.